kular hakani kesni. Bangan tray hok yaki kamjong. Hok do.
Kikubor kapatisi TV.
Manus nam daki lakbon ki bakwa penpinda be ke MBBS Henry Kindiat e ki bapas ke admission ke lapli ha Emmanuel Coaching Academy epi join menta pinyo e ki kod bat ki e-materials kin don ru ki mock test ban pen kray api na kabenda ka neat.
Ki Pulit kila penlong yang jing Tohkit ke Bobania yang jing Shah Thang laiteli ki kali Sorkar ki belajia hagaju gasngi hagapor dang step hangap jo gasngi sajan kan retorik ujelleu arja apen rio katkum gajing itu Superintendent of Police ke East Castles ki runar kila Thang ya kawe ke kali thar jing ki Pulit ke bedonyo number ML not R sansan khatnri Hakanchestries hagapor ke malai baje menstep hagabaga hud merka seed jong ka kali kila ingkong hagaju ka por sakawe pat ka kali jong ka trat ka kot ka khia ka kali Innova ka dan yo number ML not san W lai knai bapaniang harut surak hajan ka Sinat College Lumding Jeri kala ing malumala kawe pat ka kali ka bla Shah Thang ka de ka kali SX4 ka bade number ML not san F nrupo jong ka nipko ka bla paniang harut surak ka molai putmuri bat ka bla ing malumala.
Mornings are always busy. Everything feels fast. I hear mom shouting and I'm trying not to be late. Outside, Shillong is already awake. Cars move slowly, horns are loud. It feels like everyone is in a hurry. Then the STEMS bus comes in, bright and yellow, always on time. The caretaker waves and I feel okay. Inside, we laugh and sing. We share snacks. We help each other with homework. It feels nice. My parents know I'm safe through the STEMS app on Mom's phone. Because this bus isn't just a ride. It takes us to school with friends and a little bit of hope. This is STEMS, our ride, our future.